Welcome to the tornado! I just don't think about the moves. Are you scared? Terrified?
Yay!
Do you think Tim Peake was scared going in his when he was flying his plane?
No.
Stripping? Oh, well, if it does, I think that's the end of my phone.
No, shut up.
Oh, actually, that's a good idea. I'll take these off.
Just get comfortable.
Oh! She really shows me, doesn't she? I don't think she likes me.
Yeah. Oh, shit!
Hey! It's not that bad, this guy can take it. What about this one? He's enjoying it so far. They're enjoying it. We haven't got started yet. Oh, they're just rocking my baby at the moment. Oh, we're getting serious now. Oh! Oh, they put a bomb at peacock. I just want to see your full tokens! Oh, bloody hell! I'm getting too old for it! Oh, look at all my phone tokens! Doesn't this thing spin round in circles? And it gets worse! Doesn't it go round its hole? Oh! Oh! That's just a start. Someone's getting heart attacks, I think. What do you think?
Nice.
Nice?
Fun.
Fun? It's gonna go again, I'm sure it is.
It's gonna go again. I know it.
Oh, I need to take my glasses off. I don't know. Ah! Oh, it's getting bigger. Oh!
Oh, shit.
Have we lost someone? There were 4 people there earlier. Oh! Oh, my tummy! Oh! Oh! Excuse my French, sorry. Oh, this one's going to space! Jeepers! Whoa, this snows! Oh my god! Oh, lose my glasses! Who did the safety training? Who went to Mario? Oh.
I need to hold
That was good, wasn't it? Who wants to follow Tim Peake into space? Oh,
Riding with us today.
thank you. Oh, I'm just gonna. Yeah, wait a minute, I'll give him my card. You going to space?
Hey, come on, we need some more riders on this one. Come on, we need some more riders this way.
Oh, it's not that one.
Ah, nice.
This one.
Oh, gosh.
Oh, yeah.
Man, thank you.
Thank you. See you, Space Cadets.
Thank you for riding.
I've got to say that was cool. It was easily the hardest ride in the playground. That was a tornado. I'd do it again. Thank you.